No. Oh. It's a big mess. Did it work? But anyhow, let's see. Ooh. Oh. This is, I don't know if this works. Never tried. It's a bit like the straight deck, but with huge piece of aluminium. So probably I'll lose quite a bit on output. I wonder. So this went well, but then next thing, I should have a stretched foil. Well, not stretched, but at least on a frame. So now I'm gonna use the roller. So this is a piece of plastic, as you can see, PVC pipe, with some mylar on there. So I'll just run it over, but so this is a start. Yeah, I'm never gonna roll this out perfectly fine. Well, quite good actually. And if I move this plate, it's all fucked. So now I load the cutting free program. So far it works. So there is stuff that needs to go, and this aluminium foil, if it is cut all the way, that is, should have like a backing of this white stuff, like this stuff. Is that true? Yeah. I mean, it's true, but it's cut all the way through. It's rather thick. Okay, almost well. It's almost well. So being this out might be a huge. Yeah. I can't see shit. It's more like your thing. Ah, it broke. Okay, and I lost it. Oh. Time to corrugate. Yes, this is really heavy. So corrugator here, and the amount of tension kind of, if it's not equal, it will go sideways. So hopefully this will work out, but I tried it before real quick and it didn't. So this looks better. Still, it's not. Oh, that's pretty good. Oh. not bad. So you can see it has a bend in it. It has to do with the amount of tension on each side of the roller. So if it's perfect, it will go straight through. If not, it becomes a banana. Well, the corrugation is quite heavy, so in the end you can like get away with pulling on it. But still, it could be better. I'm gonna try this in my speaker. Now, this weighs a lot. If you have, well, when you're talking planers. So this piece here, this huge piece, and this huge piece here is only aluminium, which is not driven. But it should have like foam behind it. So I'm not sure if that's what I want to try out. Does it count as weight? Because it's not able to play. So it might not matter. But of course it does help with keeping shape. So we'll see. Maybe it is somehow it does matter, and it adds too much weight. And I mean, this feels quite heavy. It's no surprise because this part here and there. So 2/3 of the weight is not adding to playing music or whatever you're put in there. It's just there keeping corrugation, because Mylar on its own, and same for Captain, does not hold shape like this. So this looks really nice. Without the aluminium, it doesn't hold this shape. Cool. I mean, yeah. There you go. Huge fucking thing. So the only part playing here is the middle part. This part. This part will be supported by foam. So there's no tension sideways, so you get resonance low, and hopefully we can play low. That looks really sturdy. Might be too sturdy. Anyhow, the crappy version of my corrugator worked. Is it nice? No, I mean, well, somehow I do not see here where I start and stop rolling. Normally that is the case, so still a motor would be nicer, I think. And it's pretty straight. See you around. Bye bye.